I have found a product that is 10 times better than the Nivea Men's Shave Balm. And I cannot wait to tell y'all how this works as a primer. So if you want to find out what it is, just keep watching. Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. And for those of you that are new, my name is Mandy and welcome to my channel. Alright guys, so I have been using this product for the last 2 weeks. I wanted to make sure before I done the video, and it was kind of an accident, but we'll get into that later. But for the last 2 weeks, I've been using this product as a primer under my makeup. Now, I have not worn a primer in the last 2 weeks. This stuff, I mean, and you know, Nikki Tutorials started using the Nivea Men's Shave Balm or Post Shave Balm. I believe that's what it was. And I have tried that and that didn't quite work out as a primer for me. But, you know, for a lot of people, it did work. Well, I have been using this lotion for the last couple of weeks. Well, like I said, it was kind of an accident. I forgot to put my primer on one day. And I just put my makeup on over top of this, and come to find out, my makeup looked so much more flawless than it usually does, and it also lasted all day, and I could not believe that I have found a product that can be used for a primer. I mean, it just amazes me that I have found a product that works for something that it is not supposed to really work for. Guys, without keeping y'all waiting forever and ever, it is the Gold Bond Ultimate Skin Therapy Cream Healing Aloe. It heals and nourishes dry, problematic skin. Guys, I have never had a primer that worked as good as this lotion does. And like I said, it was an accident when I did figure this out, because I did use this. I have been using this on my face for a while, but one day I just happened to forget to use my primer. And it just lasted so much longer and it looked so much better. And I think it's an incredible product, and I think anybody out there should try it. Use this as a primer. Now I would add another lotion to the routine though if you are going to use this for a primer. But other than that, I think this is great. And like I said, I did want to wait a little while to give y'all a better review, because you know, there are stuff that I have picked up. I have picked up products that I liked at first, and then all of a sudden it changes, or it's my skin changed, and it just doesn't work for me anymore. And I wanted to make sure that I did wait long enough for this not to be one of those products. And there are also products I've picked up and I've absolutely hated them the first time I tried them, and then turn around and try to use them again before I dump them. So there are products like this, but this has worked consistently every day for the last 2 weeks, and I absolutely love it. I don't know if I will go back to primers. Of course, I'm going to try out and test new primers for you guys at home. But as far as I'm concerned, from now on when I'm doing my makeup, this will be the primer that I use. I absolutely love it. And I did want to get on here real quick and let y'all know about this stuff, because it is just incredible. Now, this ends up, when it goes on, it's very velvety. Now, it does feel like a mattifying primer and hides your pores. It's just got that velvety feel to it when it first goes on, but the more you rub it, it gets a little bit tacky, and I think that's what is holding the makeup. But it is also still just like your skin is like glass. It is absolutely flawless. So when you apply this, just use this for a regular primer, just how you would any of your other primers that you are already using. You put this on, and usually I will let my primer sit a couple of minutes before I do put on my makeup. But like I said, once you apply this, it goes on velvety, and then it will turn into that tacky feeling. Now, I will read about it. It says it has aloe, penetrates fast, non-greasy, hypoallergenic, which is really good. Fresh, clean scent. No, I did not notice a scent with this. I don't smell anything. Well, you know what? I lied. It might have a little fresh scent, but I never really smelled it, and I never really thought to smell it. So, but I do know that there is a lot of scent-sensitive people out there, but whenever I'm applying it in my face, I don't smell nothing at all. I didn't even notice it had a smell until I just read that. That is the Gold Bond Ultimate Skin Therapy Cream, healing with aloe to heal dry problem skin. And the directions, of course. Apply liberally as often as needed. Reapply to extremely dry, rough, ashy, or problem skin areas to promote speed of healing and increase the level of moisturization. Okay, and again, I will read you off a couple of the ingredients. It is water, glycerin, dimethicone, and you know what? That is also ingredients found in primers, so that's not really shocking to me. Also, petroleum. Oh, it's got, what is that word? Jojo? I don't know. I'll write it right here. And then the other stuff is stuff like you can't even pronounce it. There's aloe barbenuous leaf juice. And then the list goes on and on and on. You know how the ingredients are. But I will try to get a close-up of this so you can see the ingredients. But yes, I do see a couple of ingredients that are already in primers. So I'm not exactly sure. Now it does say it has vitamins A, C, and E. And it's also 7 intensive moisturizers. But guys, I'm telling you, give this stuff a shot. And I don't think it's that much. I wouldn't think it would be no more than $7 for the full-size bottle. And if you could tell, I got the trial size because I am one of those people. I'd rather buy the trial size just to see if I like it before I do get the big size. But I did not buy it for a primer. I bought it for a lotion. So I am glad that I did make that mistake that day, or else I would never have found the perfect primer. So that is it for this video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you, and I love you all so much, and I'll see you next video.